Good morning. What could be easier than making a breakfast with eggs, cheese, pepper, onions, scallions, and we will use some black pepper, salt, and dry cilantro. And there's my pita. So it's a simple breakfast. Let's start. I've already beaten the eggs. So let's add 1/4 teaspoon of salt. If you want, you can add a little bit more. And same thing for 3 eggs. 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. Okay. Here I added a tablespoon of ghee to the cast iron pan. It's nice and warm now, it's preheated. So everything now on is going to be fast. Alright, going to drop some egg mixture. I'm going to keep it close by. Okay, there you go. Put the pita on top of it. Press it down a little bit. Okay, just make sure the sides are tucked in. This is one breakfast the kids never say no to. I do it with naan, I do it with parathas, and I do it with pita bread. I will show you with the parathas too one day. With the parathas, it's the best. Okay, turn it over. Drop some cheese. Add a few peppers, a few green scallions. Alright. And then turn it over again fast. Smells good. I've also added the dry cilantro to the egg mixture. Turn it over. See that? Okay. When you turn it over, make sure you let it stay on the other side so it can be cooked. If you want more heat on it, for myself, I used a little bit of peppers. There you go. That's my hot pepper oil, and this breakfast is ready to go. You could have it like that, or you can fold it up. Now, who will refuse a yummy breakfast like that? If you don't have time to make parathas, go with the naan or the pita bread. flip it over. Here we go. My kids love the cheddar cheese better than the white one, so I go with cheddar. A few seconds and we'll turn it over. This one, let's just fold it here. It's easier. Fold it and cook it on the both sides. It's gooey cheesy, so you have to be careful because it gets stuck. When I make it with the parathas, I just roll it. This is a very easy and kid-friendly breakfast. I'm not recommending that the grown-ups eat it or don't it. That's up to you. But it's kid-friendly. They love cheese, and you saw I sneaked in some vegetables, so that's a win-win. Thank you for watching. Bye bye until we meet next time. Thank you.